Alright guys, in today's project we are making an obstacle avoiding robot using Arduino. So without further delay, let's get started. These components are required to make this project. I have provided the buying link in the description. If you are new to this channel, then consider subscribing for more awesome projects. I am using the MDF board to make the structure of our robot, and these are the dimensions of the cutout. But as you can see, this is not looking good, and I think many of you like black color, so we are painting this in full matte black. Now we will assemble the components on the structure one by one. Before we proceed with the next step, let me tell you about LTM 365, a platform that makes electronic design easier, faster and more connected. It lets your team collaborate in real time by sharing designs, managing versions and staying in sync from anywhere. Plus, it combines ECAD and MCAD tools so your electrical and mechanical teams can work together smoothly. Pair it with LTM Designer and you have got a complete setup for creating professional grade PCBs. You can even simulate your circuits digitally under real world conditions without needing physical prototypes or expensive lab gear. And if you are a student, then check out the LTM Student Lab. Just sign up with your university email for free access to LTM tools, which provides you step-by-step PCB courses and industry recognized certifications that prepares you for real world roles and help you stand out in job opportunities. Hit the link in the description and start building your future with LTM. Now let's start our wiring. To upload the code, plug in the Arduino to your laptop or PC using the USB cable. Open the Arduino IDE, copy and paste the code I have provided in the description. Select the correct Arduino board and port, then simply click on upload. You will see the code is compiling and uploaded successfully. If you feel it's worth watching the video, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. And that's how we bring this project to life. A big shout out to LTM for sponsoring this video. If you enjoyed the project, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. If you have any trouble, feel free to reach out and I will help you with that. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.